Udit Singhal, who founded a startup to turn glass bottles into sand, has been named among 17 people in the UN 2020 class of Young Leaders for Sustainable Development Goals. The program is a flagship initiative that recognizes the efforts of young people in driving action and galvanizing others in support of UN's 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Singhal, an 18-year-old who lives near Mandi House, told Times of India, "I feel proud to represent India along with 16 others. I'll work to motivate youths and achieve SDGs." The teenager attended the UN function online due to the COVID pandemic. Singhal had founded Glass to Sand in 2019 as a zero-waste system that turns bottles into economically viable sand. In 2018, I found a pile of bottles at home. During research, I learned that ragpickers were not interested in collecting glass bottles because of little demand, high transportation cost, and shortage of space. So, empty glass bottles often ended up at the landfills. Do you know it takes a million years for a glass bottle to decompose? Singhal then imported a machine from New Zealand with a special grant from the New Zealand High Commissioner in India and went to work helped by 65 volunteers, 6 diplomatic missions, and 4 institutions collecting bottles from across Delhi. This silica sand is commercially viable because it is used in construction, including roads and as lining of furnaces. It is more valuable than river sand in making concrete, he said. Other young leaders cited by Jayathma Vikramnaike, the UN Secretary General's envoy on youth, for leading the way in shaping a more sustainable and inclusive future for all, belong to the United States. Turkey, China, Pakistan, Peru, Egypt, Senegal, Bulgaria, Nigeria, Brazil, Liberia, Ireland, Colombia, Australia, Uganda, and Bangladesh. A TOI online report.